Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make video less blurry on CapCut. So let's get started. Here I have opened my CapCut application and I have created a project as well. And we're going to make this video less blurry on CapCut. So the first thing we have to do is we can click on effect button right here. Then we can select video effect. And if you want to put or apply blur effect, you can click on lens category right here. Then you can just select the blur effect, and this is the blur effect, and you can make it you can choose how blurry your video you want it to be, and you can adjust the blur effect by clicking on this adjust button. Then if you want to make it less blurry, you just need to drag the circle to the left like this. Okay. Alright, and after you're done, you just need to click on this checkmark button. Then you can adjust the length to make this effect align with the video. You just need to drag the effect to the right like this. Okay, and now let's take a look at the results. So just play the video. Okay guys, and this is the result. Alright, and that's how we can make video less blurry on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.